when we were a child, so we are being taught that you are so strong, you are a boy, you can't cry, you can't be weak. So sometimes boys feels very low, but they can't express their feelings, their emotions, just because of they are calling they are calling as boys, so that they are boys, so they cannot cry, they cannot show their tears.
Women does office work.
In multinational companies, there are many women employees. They can manage household work as well as office work.
98% labor
They are
work
nurturing
does
babies
by
at home and-
98% labor does work by men. How can you say?
It does not depend on the ratio or any percentage.
No. 98% labor work by men. So how can you say that women are more earn money than men?
I don't say that women earn money more than boys. I said that women who work in office as well as home, they can manage both things.
Quantity is very low. Most of men are earning money.
No idea about it. So why did you come?
There can be a
40 bed?
cause. There
You
can
have
be a
no idea.
cause.
So why did you come 40 bed?
There can be cause of because
your mother, your sister
Wait,
does
wait,
work.
Yes, my mother is doing hard work and operating room maximum 10 hours. So what do you
do
think
you know
about?
why it is like that? It's happened with girls, so they start crying, they start blaming everyone, they start blaming society, they start blaming parents. Why they are not fulfilling our dreams like this? But boys,
That's why
And what
men is
about that? And what about that labor? In India, daily die more than 100 labor in a day.
no. I know. I also know.
And what
There is
about
nothing
that?
like that. Only 8 people died because of hard working and depression. Men, but every day 86 girls rape cases in front of us.
No man in their family.
I know girls are.
Can you
girls are supporting
support
their
them?
family.
Can you support them?
So Lucknow is foreign.
And many
Why-
many girls.
Lucknow is foreign.
No, okay, but many girls doing job in USA, in London, in Germany, in Spain.
Good morning, everybody. I am Mohammad Osaid and I have completed BCom from Civil National College. So today we are debating about boy versus girl. We are in the favor of boy and second team in the favor of girl. So world population is 8.16 billion and 51.8 billion population is covered by men and 48.9% population is covered by women. And average women IQ level is more than 100 and average man IQ level is 98. So but I know man IQ level is low, but man is more strong emotionally and physically. So I have a question for you. Mobile phone is invented by man, aeroplane is invented by man, car is invented by men. So tell me three things which is invented by women.
Hello everyone, my name is Saman Buba. Of course, I am a girl. I am in the favor of girls. So I think that emotional intelligence or emotions of girls are very high than boys because they are emotionally strong. And if I talk about empathy level, the empathy level of girls are more higher than boys. So invention does not depend on any gender,
Men are very intelligent, therefore they invent.
but there are women employees with them also.
What?
There are women employees with them.
No. Tell me three things which is invented by women.
There are many businesses like girls are becoming CEO managers.
No. I am not talking about CEO and labor. I'm talking about. Tell me three things which is invented by women.
First computer programmer invention by women, and many things invented by women. So how can you say that women did not invent anything? But I don't remember name, but women invented many things.
There are many scientists like Madame Curie. She was also scientist. She was also woman. How can you say that women have not intelligence? And if I talk about good communication skill, girls have good communication skill than boys. They talk very softly with babies, children, and old age person.
Men are already know how to communicate with because nowadays every big company CEO is man and you know men are every company CEO is man and they know how to communicate. Because if you don't know how to communicate, then his company will not grow.
For being a CEO, whether it is a girl or boy, a good communication skill is necessary for them.
Yes.
It does not depend on any gender.
No.
How can you say that every CEO is a man and they are good communicators?
top 10 big company CEOs are men.
Good morning, everyone. We are debating about who is more responsible, boys or girls. So, as you said, just girls are talking politely with the children. So, but you can't say that a man is talking rudely with children or beating. So you can't judge their love by this. Parents are. Male parents also love their children, but their love is their love they don't show their loves. Their love is being shown by in their scolding, and they beat their children for just making him good.
Men are more responsible than women, because in your home your father work hard than your mother. So I think men are more men are more responsible than women.
So tell me that a girl is multitasking or a man.
I know girls are more multitasking than men, but what about focus
They-
level? Man focus level is very good.
If I talk about the focus level or concentration level,
Yes,
the
yes.
girls have more concentration.
No,
They are serious about their study because
women are only good in cramming, and if I talk about boy have intelligence. Boys are more intelligent than girl, because they don't cram. They only learn in mind. They don't cram, and therefore girl score more than more than boy, because they are crammer. Therefore they score more than boy.
As you said, girls focus on studies more than boys. So there can be several reasons boys not focusing on studies. Like boys have to earn money. That's so. This is main cause of not focusing on study as well. So boys get responsibility in earlier in them earlier age. So this is main cause of not focusing on studies. But you are saying that boys also are achieving high goals. Boys becoming boys achieving more and more, as you are saying, seeing.
I think that woman is more responsibility than boys, because without women, your house cannot run, and because women also are doing hard work and doing job and doing like a teaching, like a tuition, many things. Because I think that without women, you can't run your house.
Yes, you can't run your house.
But without men, your house run. I have seen this.
No.
I have seen this many houses.
Who earn the money for family? Man.
Ah.
Earning money is more difficult than cooking and washing cloth. Why you are deny it?
No, there is nothing like that. Women doing hard work and earning a lot of money in my village, in this society, in Mau.
Yeah.
I have seen this.
So give me an example.
In my village, only five women. There is no men, but they are also doing work hard and teaching children and earn money and running their house. Many houses.
You only talking about individual. Because in society, men earn money and women only cook and wash cloth and making home. So I think men are more responsible than women, because they earn money. Earning money is more difficult than saving money.
so a woman who work in offices or any department, that woman can manage household work as well as office work.
No, how many women does office work?
In multinational companies, there are many women employees. They can manage household work as well as office work.
98% labor
are
work
nurturing
does by
babies at home and-
98% labor does work by men. How can you say?
It does not depend on the ratio or any percentage.
No. 98% labor work by men. So how can you say that women are more earn money than men?
I don't say that women earn money more than boys. I said that ki women who work in office as well as home, they can manage both things.
Quantity is very low. Most of men are earning money.
And you know, when boys earn money, take care his family also. But if a girl start earning, she become arrogant. She has a lot of attitude. So he start blaming man that if I am if I am working, so I can't depend anyone. I can't be under control of anyone. So it is also cause of divorce, because I have seen many girls who has taken divorce just because of they were earning. So but if a boy is on, so his behavior does not change. He will be like that he was before. His behavior does not change. His talking style does not change. He takes care of everything while he is earning. But a girls when a girl start earning, she become arrogant, like this. I think you are getting my points. I have seen many time.
Some girls like this. Many girls are doing teach and work of 50, earning 50k, and their husband earning like 20k and 15k. But there is nothing like that. He has attitude. She has attitude, and she took divorce. There is nothing like that. But many boys only get married rich girl because of their property. I have seen this like this. Many boys only marriage rich girls because of their property and money.
No, no, no.
No, I have seen this
No,
in
no, no, you are-
in India.
I'm not.
And after that,
I'm not
they
satisfied,
kill
because
her.
nowadays women only marry for money and property, because they will ask divorce and they will receive half property of their husband. So how can you say man only waiting for property?
So I think that boys carry forward his parents' name, his dynasty, but but girls went to another house. They become stranger. So what will you say about that?
That was their sacrifices. Girls are more sacrificing. They leave her own house and live with in-laws' house. Girls are more sacrificing than boys. Can you leave your house and live in another house with your wife?
So don't you think boys does not go outside of boys does not leave their house? Don't you think boys also lives their house? Like if he want to earn, so he is leaving his home and he is going abroad for 10 years, 20 years. He is also leaving his home.
Girl life is very easy, because when she did not marry, then their father spend on money, and when he become married, then his husband fulfill their desire. So how can you say that they sacrifice? I think men are more sacrificed than women.
Even men can't express their feeling, their weakness, because when we were a child, so we are being taught that you are so strong, you are a boy, you can't cry, you can't be weak. So sometimes boys feels very low, but they can't express their feelings, their emotions, just because of they are calling as boys. So they are assuming that they are boys, so they cannot cry, they cannot show their tears. So boys also sacrifice.
Because you have an ego. You can cry. You can show your emotions with your loved ones.
We are told
But
in
you-
earlier that we are boys. We cannot be weak. We cannot show our emotions in front of any people, even in front of parents also, because we are told since childhood that we are strong. We are boys. We are so strong. So you can't be nervous. You cannot show your tears. But in another hand, girls, when something went wrong, when something just goes wrong with them, a little things happen with girls, so they start crying, they start blaming everyone, they start blaming society, they start blaming parents. Why they are not fulfilling our dreams, so like this. But boys does not complain for anything. Even boys cannot complain with their parents also.
Women life is easy. So what do you think about in India? Every day, 86 girls case rape cases front of us. So what do you think about it? And every year, 30k cases rape cases in India every year. So girl is not safe and not easy life. So that's why
what about that labor? In India, daily die more than 100 labor in a day.
No, I know. I also know.
And what
There is
about
nothing
that?
like that. Only 8 people died because of hard working and depression men. But every day, 86 girls rape cases in front of us.
No, no, no.
Reason behind it?
Because
Do you know?
no, I know because I think that man is not a good and only running.
You know, it can be it can be cause
All fault of
getting
man.
married late. It can be also a cause.
No.
Because in this era, girls does not want marry in
6-year girls, 17 years women. What is for them for 1 month
Where?
on Instagram, on social media?
Do you know Instagram? There are many fraud news. And why?
36K, 70K, 37K rape cases front of us in 2018 and 2022, 30K rapes in India and every day 86K. So what do you think about it?
every man is not good.
I know. So
So
that's why every woman is not bad. Like every woman
So,
does not took divorce because of property.
we are not ignoring women's girls sacrifices because they are vehicle of they are wheel of vehicle. Boys and girls both are wheel of vehicle. If a wheel destroyed, so a vehicle cannot be run. So both are important, but who is more deserving, who is more sacrificing, who are more responsible? We are talking about that, and we are not neglecting women, we are not neglecting girls. We are appreciating girls, but we are talking about who is more responsible. Actually, there are a lot of boys who has bad nature. Even girls also has bad behavior, bad natures.
Girls are best serve our parents than boys.
No, no, no. Who fulfill parents' desire?
Fulfill parent desire like in India,
No, I'm not
doing job,
satisfied with
operating
you
room
because
and teaching and
only boy fulfill.
No,
their
not
parents'
only boys.
desire.
You are wrong.
No, no.
And you know,
You have no idea about it. So why did you come?
There can be
for
a
debate?
cause. There
You
can
have
be a
no idea.
cause.
So why did you come for debate?
There can be cause of
in your home, in
because
your mother, your sister
Wait,
does
wait,
what?
Yes, my mother is doing hard work and operating room maximum 10 hours. So what do you
do
think
you know
about?
why it is like that?
Because my mom
No,
for our desire that my son.
Most of time
No.
girls spend with their parents most of time. So they are close. Girls are close to their parents because boys have to earn. Boys have to go outside of this home just for earning. So boys cannot give time to parents more. That's why you are saying that girls are serving parents better. It is main cause of that.
For earning money in foreign. In foreign.
Many women go for earning money. Many women go foreign for earning money.
In your locality, have you any example?
Yes, I have. In my cousin earning money in Lucknow and teaching.
So Lucknow is foreign.
And
Why?
many girls.
Lucknow is foreign.
No, okay, but many girls doing job in USA, in London, in Germany, in Spain.
You are talking like that because you have no idea. Only man can go abroad for earning money.
No.
Why
You have no
are not
knowledge, so why did you
accepting?
come- why did you come
I
for
have
debate?
knowledge. No. You said Delhi is foreign. So how? Firstly, you have no knowledge. Delhi is not foreign. Delhi is in part of India.
Okay, so it's my fault.
No. Listen me. As you said, girls are also going to earn money out of station. So I know it is happening nowadays. But they have no. Sometimes girls have no compulsion to earn money. But they are fond of earning money. They are just fulfilling their. They are just going to fulfill their dreams. But if, earning money is compulsion for boys. Boy has to go earning money. Boys has to get boys has to go earning money at any cost. If he is not earning money, everyone will start blaming boys. But if girls are not earning, so no one can blame. No one would blame them. Why you are not earning? Why you are not doing just?
Girls are also support their family financially. If there is no man in their family,
I know girls are.
can you
girls are
support
supporting their
them?
family.
Can you support
No,
them?
no.
Can you earn them for you?
No, if there is no male member in the family, so it's also it would be compulsion for earning money. But in major cases, if we talk about majority, so I'm talking about that, not an individual, because there are rare cases of that none family has male members, but majority is that every family has male members.
In locality, you see that there are many teachers, government teachers. Most of them are girls. As you may have seen in Mau, there are many BTC teachers, government teachers.
And
Mostly
also,
are women.
and also there are many male teachers. And what about DAV and Muslim Inter College? There are only male teachers. So how can you say only women study in school?
Is like that. Why is it like that? Because girls has matlab, girls are given time to study more than boys, because I know that there are a lot of boys who is wandering, mooching around here and there, just like that. They have no ambition, they has no goal. But if we talk about serious boys, so they don't study. That's why they don't get a government job, because they start earning in early age. That's why they are not becoming government teacher, governments. They are not going government sector. So that's why you are seeing in our locality, most of girls are serving as a BTC teacher, as a teacher. It is main cause.
I talk about caring nature, nurturing nature. Girls have more caring and compassionate spirit. They are nurturing the
So tell me,
atmosphere. They are
your father
nurturing.
does not give you love. How can you say only women care? Your father,
Caring and
You know,
compassionate spirit.
चल बोलता हूँ.